Hello, beautiful souls. I hope you all are doing great. Here is the message for all of us from our Divine Mother, from Divine Universe. So, the first card is Moon Energy. As you can see, a beautiful angel, a beautiful fairy in the card. Moon energy is representing your mind, your emotions. अगर आप अपने माइंड में कुछ कन्फ्यूजन लेकर घूम रहे हैं, अगर कुछ चीज़ें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान कर रही हैं, देन प्लीज़ सरेंडर ऑल योर वरीज एंड प्रॉब्लम्स टू दिस ब्यूटिफुल फेरी एंड जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो. Bring some more feminine energy within you. Feminine energy means like if you are already into giving, then please start receiving something. सिर्फ देते रहना किसी भी चीज़ में वो बैलेंस क्रिएट नहीं करता है. तो मून एनर्जी इज़ आस्किंग यू टू प्लीज़ कीप बैलेंस. तो बैलेंस इमोशंस का भी हो सकता है, बैलेंस गिव एंड टेक किसी भी चीज़ का हो सकता है, राइट. एंड द सेकेंड कार्ड इज़ प्लेफुलनेस. How you can do this? Moon energy representing your feminism, or I can say your mother. Yes, both these cards are feeling connected. Playfulness, play like a child. Play with a child. Children are your greatest teachers. Yes. So if you are confused, if you are feeling low emotionally, then play with children. Children are your greatest teacher. हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो हमारी लाइफ में हमें कन्फ्यूजन दे रही हैं, और एक छोटा बच्चा आके जब कोई चीज़ ऐसी करता है तो हमें उस चीज़ का एक बहुत ही अच्छे से आंसर मिल जाता है. तो as we all know that children are our greatest teacher. We must have experienced it in our life also. So moon energy is mother, and again this is a child. So ये कार्ड जो है interconnected हैं. Spend time with your mother, listen to their emotions and tell your mothers your emotions, your worries, and be like a child. If you are confused about anything, tell your mother. Or I can say that if your children are going through this time, please listen to them and make them comfortable by just listening to their emotions, so that they can feel comfortable and they can get out of any kind of trouble they are facing right now. And the third one is angel of success. Yes. So if you will let go any kind of emotions that are not good for you, that are draining your energy and giving you mental problems, making you feel very low, then be like a child. Playfulness will give you many good answers, because we all know that when we tend to play like a child, we forget all the worries of our life. And the angel of success will definitely give you announcement of your success, any kind of success you can say, related to your work, related to your relationships, and anything that is connected to your success. So be like a child, connect with your mother, spend some time with your mother and listen to their emotions also, and angel of success is waiting for you. Just get ready to receive the success in your life. I hope you all can resonate with the guidance. Thank you so much for connecting through my channel Rahat the Inner Healing. God bless you all. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you so much.